Installing Splunk on Ubuntu involves downloading the software, installing it via the command line, and performing initial configuration. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download Splunk. Visit the Splunk download page. Choose the Linux version and download the DEB file. Alternatively, you can use wget to download it directly. Install Splunk. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where you downloaded the DEB file. Install the package using the dpkg command. Start Splunk. Navigate to the Splunk installation directory. Start Splunk and accept the license agreement. Set admin credentials. During the first start, you'll be prompted to create an admin username and password. Enable boot start. To ensure Splunk starts automatically on boot, enable the boot start feature. Access Splunk web interface. Open a web browser and go to the following link. Log in with the admin credentials you set earlier. Initial setup. Follow the initial setup prompts in Splunk web to start indexing data and creating dashboards.